Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking garden tap all by yourself. Now, depending on where you live, doing this yourself can save you hundreds of dollars. Like, a lot of plumbers will have a call out fee of $80, $100, $120 just to come out and fix your garden tap. So let's get out into my backyard and have a look exactly what the problem is and how to fix it. So that's the part here that you're going to replace, and it's also worthwhile replacing the little seal here and that little rubber O-ring there. Okay, so here's the replacement seal. Now, they're not exactly the same, but it doesn't matter. Okay, it's this part here that's important, and this is a better quality one apparently, and you buy these at any hardware store. So it just fits in there, and I've taken the old rubber off and that's it there. So it's gone. Here's the new one. These are worth about 3 cents or something, and that just slips in place there. And we use some of this stuff here, which again is available at any hardware store. And you put that on your rubber. This stuff is non-toxic, does not cause you any problems. Then you get your new tap seal. Put a bit of that stuff on there as well. And we're now ready to put it all back together. There's no point over tightening it, just nip it up and that's it. Close your tap. That feels a lot better already. And now it's a matter of turning your water back on and checking for leaks. This switch here turns the water back on from the water tanks to go to the pump. That's the tank there. And when we flick this switch, you will hear the pump prime up and pressurize the system. Now the system is pressurized and we can go and check for leaks. Okay, tap does not appear to be dripping any longer. Let's turn it on and test it. There it goes. You'll hear the pump kick in a second. And see, it hardly takes any effort to turn the water off now. It's just purging all the air from the system now. There you go. Tap fixed. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the Just Repaired tap, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Doing his hourly patrol of the property.